I ordered an iTarget laser training system back a few days ago, and it came in today, so we're going to do a little unboxing for it here. Comes nice discreet packaging. Nothing that's glaringly obvious of what is inside. Handy if it's sitting on your porch for a few hours. Plain white box with brand obviously on it. Surprisingly nicely packed. Nice instruction sheet. This is your target sheet. Already mounted. You can get, whether you get ring target or you can get silhouettes. For me, I've got a 9mm, so I got the 9mm laser in the package. You can get it for just about every common caliber, whatever you're shooting. Stand, that includes the stand for your iPhone or your Android. It looks like a handy box for saving, for shipping other stuff. From iTarget.